Cheyenne. Dude, check out this awesome fucking thing I'm in. I know most people might not find it awesome, but I do. We're in Fort Worth right now. Dude, this is motherfucking awesome. Look at that fucker. It's so tall that I even can't get it. I'm 5'8", 5'9". What the hell? There's Aaliyah that way. Dude, that's where we are. This place is awesome. Dude, I found the car that I want and the scooter I want to start off on before I go straight to a motorcycle. Say hi.
Hi, it's not a car.
Doesn't care. I say it's a car.
That's a car.
That's a lame car.
Actually, that makes it awesome.
Lame. What I'm talking about, people, is not that. But you gotta go back inside for this. That baby over there. That is what I'm talking about. Six seats, 6 people. How's it bad? I'm videotaping. It's cool. And that right there is the scooter I want to start off before I actually go to a motorcycle. It's awesome! Dude, I think I've died and gone to a part of heaven right here. Say hi! Aw, you being mean to the viewers. Ninjas! Dude, I seriously think if modernized ninjas were here today, they would ride these fuckers. Yes, they would. 4-wheelers. Mannequin! More ninjas. I have no clue. Oh, no clue how to pronounce that. Awesome bikes. Dirt bikes. Yeah, this place is pretty awesome. And this is only the beginning. We're gonna be going to the Harley Davidsons store next door next. So, peace out and wait for part 2.